Hello and welcome to my channel. After the first trying with the ELC OBD2 adapter, I bought this ordinary Elm327 interface. The version must be higher than 1.5 and is mandatory to have this chip. The PIC 25K80 is the microcontroller, and the FTDI is the chip for communication and changing the parameters via CAN driver. So we will repeat the procedure the same like the other interface. You must to put in the first gear, and after that press on the start button for 10 seconds to activate permanent the dashboard, and after that I will connect this interface to the OBD2 port, and now we will try to connect and to see if it works or not. So now our interface, it's not wireless, not Bluetooth, it's only a serial USB port interface. So we will select this COM port, our interface, I am aware, and now hit connect button. Voila! Now everything works and we have possibility to modify the parameters.